P, what it do? Period. Welcome back to another freaking YouTube video, y'all. And by the title, we are about to be doing another DIY pedicure at home. Yes. But anyways, y'all, I'm just showing y'all all my tools and stuff I got laid out. You can get at your local motherfucking Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. Yeah, you can find all these stuff right there for the low. And you're gonna need your apple cider vinegar because that's gonna help get your cuticles and all your dead skin and stuff up. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. Period. Y'all, all you need is a cap full. Period. You gonna see why. But yeah, and go ahead and do a little swirl around with the big toe. You know. Yeah, yeah. Alright, so you go ahead and take your acetone or your polish remover, either one, and go ahead and just start taking your polish off. And by the way, you definitely can take your polish off before you put your foot in the water. It honestly really don't matter. I just always take mine off once mine's like sitting there like for a couple minutes or whatever like that. But yeah, it's just gonna be me taking out the polish. I'm gonna just fast forward this part, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so not too much on my toes, okay? Because I want them to grow out so y'all can actually, like, see, like, a good before and after video, pretty much. So I just waited till, like, my toenails grow out. And then plus my toenails grow long anyway. And plus it was about time anyway because, like, my toenails were starting to hurt my foot. But anyways, y'all see the little white stuff on the side? That's pretty much all that dead skin and stuff I was telling you, like that apple cider is going to get and all that stuff. But I'm pretty much going to be showing y'all how to get all that stuff up. Yeah, because my ingrowns be growing real bad, as y'all can see. But yeah, we about to get this right. We about to get this right, okay? Yeah.
Personality, everything you do, to me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, y'all, so now you're going to pretty much take your cuticle pusher and pretty much clean up your cuticles. As y'all can see, that's where the apple cider vinegar coming in because it pretty much gets all of it up for you, like literally. But I'm going to continue to just fast forward this part.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.
Alright, y'all, so y'all just gonna pretty much get all that dead ingrown skin from off the side of y'all toenail. I must say it doesn't be as bad on my other toes. It's always just the worst on my big toes, like literally. And then like last time it was kind of worse on my pinky toe, but it wasn't as bad this time either. But yeah, I just wanted to do a close-up so y'all can actually see what all I'm pretty much getting.
Yes, you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
And I forgot to mention, y'all, this is actually a ingrown toenail clipper that I'm using. Like I said, you can find it at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar. Like, it's gonna be in the nail section. Like, you can't miss it. You definitely can't miss it. But yeah, in case you guys is wondering what kind of tools I was using, I'm trying to name all of them as I go. Y'all, so it's pretty much file time, so don't actually worry about if you unevenly cut your nails, because I always be like I can file it evenly at the end of the day. So
Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
alright, y'all, y'all. So now we're going in with a nice little foot file. Go ahead and get all that dead skin off the bottom of your foot and all that good stuff. Or it's also like a callus remover as well. But yeah, like I said, you definitely can find this at your local store. It's not too hard to find. Like I said, nail section, okay? Period.
Wish you away, baby, what you want? I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Alright, so when y'all done, just go ahead and give it a nice little brush so the brush can just get up in between whatever that's left. You feel me? That's just sitting there. But oh, and if y'all want to, when y'all done, y'all can like use coconut oil or any type of moisturizer for y'all foot. But I just said skip that part. Like I was doing my pedicure for already like an hour and a half, so I was just ready to get her done. You feel me? But just go ahead and put on your clear polish like so. And then I didn't record me sitting there polishing my whole toes, but I did show y'all like a little bit of me putting on my clear polish. And then if you got light colors like me, make sure you go over it like 2 or 3 times if you got to, just so you can get the full color. Alright y'all, not too much in the design. Like I haven't did designs in so long, and your girl thought she could have still do the cheetah print design, but it honestly came out and I'm gonna say alright because I didn't do too bad for me that been doing it in so long. But once I put the clip, well, really once I put the glitter on, I didn't give it time to dry, so like it kind of pretty much smeared a little bit. So yeah, but it honestly didn't matter. The main part was the pedicure part, so you know. Like I said, not too much on the design, y'all, okay? And then I honestly didn't clean up the excess polish around my toes yet when I recorded this video, but you know, I hope you guys enjoy the transformation. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. And if you haven't, make sure y'all go watch my last pedicure video. I'm gonna make sure I put it like right here. So yeah, go ahead and click that link and check it out, and yeah, see y'all in the next video.